Guys, we're going to talk about the next stage of graphing, which is finding the vertex. In order to find the vertex when we're graphing a quadratic function, I'm going to back it up a little bit so you guys can see. I want you to be able to determine, just by looking at the leading coefficient of any equation, what is max or a minimum. So when you see your examples on your homework, you'll know the three things I want are axis of symmetry, vertex, and max or min. So first things first, let's start with the axis of symmetry, which is a formula, negative b over 2a, when the equation is in standard form. What is standard form, you may ask? Ax squared, the quadratic term, plus bx, the linear term, plus c, the constant. So we just want to label out the a, b's, and c's. 1, b is negative 2, c is negative 3. Number 6, negative 1, negative 6, and negative 10. Why are these important? Because now we're going to plug into the axis of symmetry, get negative b, which is negative negative 2, over 2 times 1, which is 1. We're going to get back to that number in a second. But when you get your homework, you're going to want to say axis of symmetry is 1, and positive in front, it goes up. So that means your graph, if the leading coefficient is positive, we're going to find out that that means it's a minimum. Because look at the vertex is down here. It's the minimum, or vertex, which is the definition of vertex is, we're going to do negative b over 2a is negative 3 for number 6. See the math here, negative, negative, again. But let's talk about what the vertex really is. It's an x and y coordinate where there is a change in direction. What does negative b over 2a mean? It's actually the x of the vertex. So let's go back to what your homework is. 1 is the axis, minimum, and now you have to be able to just say, hey, we know what the vertex x is because of the axis of symmetry, which is 1 and negative 3. So what the heck? How do we get the vertex? What's the next step? Anyone know? We're going to plug in this number 1 into x and get y equals negative 4. And that's the vertex. When we go to graph it, you sketch in the past, you just sketch. But now you actually get to sketch the coordinate negative 1, negative 4. And that's what the graph should look like. And we're going to eventually learn how to graph all those critical points. Vertex for number 6, on the other hand, is going to be another one we plug in negative 3. Negative 3 to the second power is 9, but you carry over the negative down, and negative 9 plus 18 minus 10 is negative 1.